Now that the spring weather, the bright, happy spring sunshine has popped through, you may be ready to get your gardening game on. Here's how you can.
As soon as spring starts to approach and we see a little bit of green starting to pop out in our yard, we want to start seeing other colors besides green. And so we have this idea that, oh, I want to go down to the nursery and get lots of flowers. Wait, because we live in Utah, and sometimes in Utah we get late frost. So the first plants you want to start planting, and this can happen the end of March, 1st of April. You can just about plant any perennial at that time. Those that you're going to find first in bloom are going to be like your anemones, your phloxes, your abracia, and they may already be in bloom even at the nursery, but you can go down and you can plant those perennials, no problem. I will plant them and put some mulch around them. So about the middle of May, we're talking about the second week in May, Mother's Day or a little later, we're going to go out and we're going to plant annuals. And all the annuals you want, you can start planting. My favorites that are sometimes not as common as some of the others include vincas, which are the purples and the pinks. I also like Nirenbergia, which is sometimes harder to find, but it's a big cluster of purple and white flowers. You might be getting an idea that I might like purples and pinks in the landscape, and I do. Of course, there's the petunias that everybody grows, and they look good, but there's also some like million bells, which is like a smaller petunia. So there's a number of them out there. You can plant them clear up until July without any problem at all. In fact, I know some people that will even go to the nursery if they're having a wedding in their backyard and plant them clear up until August. No problem. You're going to find it a little bit more expensive. So normally we like to get those annuals in May. Well, there you have some of my favorites and some of my recommendations. So don't be afraid to try something new. Go down to the greenhouse, middle of May, 1st of May, look at all the colors and find something that you haven't tried before and enjoy this summer's color of annuals.
Okay, just that little conversation, seeing that calendar spelled out in front of our eyes, that gets you excited, doesn't it? Jerry also shared a really handy calendar with a timeline for plotting and planting your vegetables as well, so we will post that chart for you on the Studio 5 website. You can check it out, and again, we can all get excited together.